Hi, Chuck Friedman, Director of Developer Platform here at Ribbit. While we spend a lot of time talking about the community and the great API that developers have to work with, one of the great opportunities we had recently is to talk with two of the brains behind the APIs, both the Flash platform that we offer as well as the upcoming RESTful API. It's great to identify and talk with some of the brains, some of the people who are really dedicated and passionate about the technology that we share with our developer community. I recently had the opportunity to sit down with Peter C., who heads up the API development for our Flash platform offerings, including the Flex SDK as well as the Flash Toolkit. You'll see how dedicated Peter is in his focus on architecture and the simplicity of the API. I think Peter's one of the great reasons why Flash platform has been such a success for Ribbit, and it's been such a great API for the developer community to work with.
On what I liked working on platform versus applications, with platform, I can create libraries and things that are usable with Flash in terms of the Swig that can be reused by others. It's kind of like a building block that other developers can use, and that's what's really nice about the platform. Flash is important to developers because Flash enables a set of application or class of applications that is very expressive and very visual. I mean, great UIs, great experience. And Ribbit adds another layer on top of that, the human aspect of the voice piece that actually allows a person who's using an application to communicate and to connect. Some of the key things that Ribbit is offering or getting ready to improve will be coming down with our REST API. And with REST also comes different types of wrappers. And one of the wrappers that's going to be released when REST comes out would be the Swig. The Swig itself will actually transform into using REST internally. And when that happens, then we're going to inherit a lot of the features that REST will offer, such as conference calling, better third-party controls. And also a benefit to that would be the smaller file size. Now, instead of having a API or Swig, which is about maybe 400, 500 KB, we're talking about maybe 100 KB, maybe in 50 KB or more, something really, really small. And that's perfect for doing applications like banner ads or very small call buttons, But having that so small, it's a great thing. The Ribbit team, they're a set of smart group of individuals. They're very, very talented. They're very passionate about what they do, and they love that they can actually take a technology or any type of technology and so forth, and applications, and enable that by putting the API into it, and you get this human aspect to it, and this way able to communicate with each other and so forth in such a way, and Ribbit enables that. We research and we listen to developers out there and say, what features do you need and so forth, and then we talk amongst ourselves and then we plan it out and say, okay, yeah, this features would be really good to put into the community because this is what they're asking for. For example, we had a lot of developers out there who wanted conference calling. So we talked about it and we figured, how can we fit this in and how can we make this easy to use.